Overwhelmingly, Kenyans support that date. So 84% said yes, 14.3% said no, and 1.5% said they don't know. So if we look at it across the board, then we see that support for that particular date is quite high across the board. Pray for Nyanza, and Western, where we have 20 and about 29% respectively, saying they don't support the date of 17th. When other people are ranging between 80s, 70s, and even the police at 65, IEBC is currently standing at 40%. So this is 39.8, which is 40% of Kenyans, less than majority, less than 50% currently trust that the IEBC will conduct a free and fair elections. Indeed, 54% of Kenyans are not, confident that IEBC would conduct free and fair elections. In fact, indeed, almost 85% want something done with the key people handling the elections at the IEBC. So you see that 44% want the CEO and the top management at IEBC to step aside.